stink. I mean, they really do. So once they're inside, and I found the best way to get rid of them once they're inside is with a vacuum where you could just suck them right up. But still, they stink when they're inside the vacuum bag. So the best thing to do, the best offense is a good defense, and get that spray around the exterior of the buildings, or just wait until it gets cold and then the bugs will finally go away here. What a beautiful, beautiful weekend and a beautiful evening here around the capital area. Still 61 degrees, wind is light. Great Falls, yeah, the sky is clear, 55 degrees. A little cooler today across north central Montana and yesterday than Saturday when temperatures were up in the 70s. Even Loma hit 83 degrees. Yeah, 83 on Saturday, 77 in Havre on Saturday, 73 in Cup Bank, and Great Falls is right around there, 74, 75 degrees. That was the warm day. It was also windy. Yesterday a little cooler, but not as much wind. Nothing really on the radar until we go south here. Our Rex block weather pattern in Montana has been under high pressure down to the south. An area of low pressure has been persisting with some showers and some higher elevation snow here. Also persisting some very heavy rain, consistent rain into parts of Texas here over the last 8 to 9 days. This is a little unusual. Everywhere across the country, hardly looking at any watches, warnings, or advisories until you go up here underneath the high pressure, underneath the Rex block's high pressure, and there we continue to see a buildup of some bad air over around the areas east of the Cascades and really west of the Continental Divide here. But even into western Montana, I showed you the air quality before, where we've got moderate air quality for the Helena Valley, for the Bitterroot Valley, for the Flathead Valley, up through the northwestern part of the state here. There are also a couple of prescribed burns going on extreme northwest Montana, so that's contributing to a little of the smoke and the poor air quality. So using the global satellite there, you can clearly see the spin of low pressure down to the south, high pressure, nice weather, clear skies over Montana, and this is the Rex block weather pattern here. High pressure above or to the north of an area of low pressure, and what this does is this persists day in, day out for over a week sometimes. It's exactly what we've been seeing here in Montana with the high pressure, and then down to the south around the Four Corner states we've had some unsettled weather, and then into Texas it's been very persistent with the rainfall here. So they've seen continuous rain while Montana has seen high pressure, and what will make flooding conditions worse here into Texas, this is Hurricane Willa. Willa with winds of 150 to 160 miles per hour. It's going to slam into the coast of Mexico here, and then some of that heavy rain will cross Mexico and move into the southern part of the country here over the next several days. Here's future track, and there's some of that wet weather down to the south. Tomorrow, Rex block finally starts to move out or starts to break down. Now some clouds will begin to move into the western part of the state in the afternoon. May even see a couple of showers spilling over there into Beaverhead, Madison, Gallatin counties as well. Wednesday, not too bad, partly cloudy skies, a little in the way of some wind on Wednesday, and then Thursday, notice the precipitation starts to get a little closer. May have a couple of showers Thursday morning. All in all, we don't really see the real wet weather move in until maybe about Friday, and then of course this weekend, unfortunately. Here's a look at the forecast for tonight. Clear skies, almost a full moon here. Temperatures down into the 20s, upper 20s, and the lower 30s here for most locations. And around the capital too, will be right around the freezing point. Probably a little frost out there tomorrow morning. And here's the forecast for Tuesday. Still a really nice day. Temperatures in the 60s, but you'll notice a little in the way of some cloud cover. There are a couple of those showers, southwestern Montana. Into Wednesday, maybe an isolated shower down there around Big Sky over to the Beartooth Highway here, which is closed for the year. And then looking at high temperatures, will be in the 60s once again. Thursday, maybe an isolated shower around the capital here. Thursday morning around Bozeman as well. Lewistown could see just a slight little chance of a sprinkle. Friday, here comes a little front with some rain showers around, some higher elevation snow. High temperature still above average in the 50s to near 60 degrees. But notice now we go from today's perfectly clear weather, tomorrow a few clouds, and then a little more in the way of some moisture. Really likely Friday, Saturday, potentially Sunday as well. And then for the Electric City, we're going to see temperatures staying mild, but look at the wind increasing later this week and a chance of showers as Rex block says sayonara.
Well, it was nice having him for that short amount of time.
He'll be back sometime, I bet.
Thanks for that, Curtis. And now we are joined by the newest member of the MTN Sports family, Sam Hoyle. Sam, and I hear there's some pretty big changes coming over at Montana State.
Yeah, so actually they're making a big change on the sidelines here. We'll have more and Carroll basketball later today.